Makulay at makahulugan ang pagbubukas ng Barma Ami 2025 na sinimulan sa pamamagitan ng isang parada. Magpapasiklaban sa galing sa 23 sports events ang libu-libong manlalaro mula sa iba't ibang schools division ng BARMM. Ang detalye mula kay Naptali Bendol.
Tumingkad mula sa iba't ibang kulay ng sports uniform ang Cotabato City Plaza patungong Cotabato State University sa pagbubukas ng Barma Amit 2025 araw ng linggo. Bakas ang excitement sa mga manlalaro mula sa iba't ibang schools division ng BARM. 23 sports events ang paglalabanan ng mga atleta mula Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Tawi-Tawi, Maguindanao del Sur at Maguindanao del Norte.
It is with great pride and joy that I welcome all of you to the Barma At 2025. This annual gathering of student athletes across the Bangsamoro is more than just a competition. It is a celebration of talent, discipline, and the unbreakable spirit of unity that defines our people. This year's theme, Championing Peace and Unity through Bangsamoro Sports, encapsulates what we hope to achieve, not just in this event, but in the broader mission of the Bangsamoro government. Sports are powerful equalizers, bridging differences in language, ethnicity, and background. They bring individuals from diverse provinces, islands, and municipalities together under the banner of sportsmanship, determination, and shared goals. In the Bangsamoro region, where we remain dedicated to peace, education, and development, sports are essential for promoting unity and resilience among our youth. Through sports, we strengthen our advocacy for inclusive education, ensuring that no Bangsamoro learner is left behind, not in academics, not in leadership, and certainly in the pursuit of athletic excellence. We firmly believe that every young person, regardless of their economic status or geographical location, deserves the opportunity to develop their skills in the classroom or the playing field. With the authority and powers vested in me as Minister of the Basic, Higher, and Technical Education, I hereby declare Barma 2025 open.
Alright! Barma Amit 2025 is now officially open.
Nagtapos ang opening program sa isang fireworks display.